everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be filming a fragrance review, as I do, and it is the Jo Malone Poppy and Barley fragrance. I have also filmed the fragrance review of the Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia, so if you're interested in also seeing that, I will have the link down below if it's out already. I also have a fragrance playlist, so definitely go check that out because I have all my fragrance related videos curated in that playlist, so definitely go check it out. I'd love your fragrance recommendations too. There's so many fragrances out there and I get so overwhelmed that I'm like, I don't know where to start, but definitely recommend fragrances because they always help me when I'm going into the store and I want to try out different fragrances. But the focus today is going to be on this bad boy here, and this is, again, like I said, the Jo Malone Poppy and Barley fragrance. So this is like a relatively new fragrance. It launched in 2019 and I bought it about 2 years ago. So around about the time when it launched, I bought this with the English Pear and Freesia. This is the 30ml bottle, of course. So this retails for £52 or $74 US. The 100ml retails for £102 or $144 US. So the top notes are fig, blackcurrant and violet. The middle notes are wheat, powdery note and poppy, and the base notes are white musk, barley and bran. The main accords, according to Fragrantica, I'm going to mention the top 5, is fruity, powdery, violet, floral, sweet, woody. So let me, I like have different fragrances on me. Let me just spray it. I love this fragrance so much. You can definitely smell like the fig and the violet. Like the violet is so overpowering when you smell this, and then it dries. As it like dries down, you can smell like the beautiful like fruity floral notes, but the violet is, oh yeah. Well, I didn't realize how much violet this had in it actually. It's very violety, which to me is not a bad thing at all. The middle notes also says powdery, which I do not smell any powder, not a single powder. And if you know me, you know I'm not a huge fan of overly powdered fragrances. So with this saying that it has powder notes, I don't get that from this at all. And I feel like there really isn't that much poppy either, or barley. To be honest, it just smells like beautiful violets. That's all I really get from this fragrance. I'm quite thankful that I don't smell the powder. I feel like if I was looking at this fragrance online and I saw the powder, I probably would have been like, heck no, I don't need this in my life. I don't like powder. But because I smelt it in store, I didn't even know there were powder notes in it. So I definitely recommend going in store before you like judge a fragrance by its notes online, because to me personally, like I don't get any powder from this. It's just very violety. That again is just my personal opinion, but if you're somebody that doesn't like powdery notes and you were thinking of getting this fragrance, I highly recommend going in store and smelling it yourself, because to me it's the violet notes is what is really overpowering for this fragrance. To be fair, I feel like this fragrance is very easy to wear. It's definitely a day scent, like 100% day scent. I think of springtime transitioning into like fall. Like it's a beautiful day scent. I definitely wouldn't wear this. I mean, you can if you want to, but it's not a night scent at all. It's very like light and like non-offensive. I haven't smelled all Jo Malone fragrances, but I feel like most of their like floral fruity are just like non-offensive. They're like upbeat, they're light, they're happy, they're just uplifting. In terms of longevity, I would definitely say that this fragrance is moderate. I said this for the English Pear and Freesia fragrance. I feel like Jo Malone fragrances don't last the absolute longest. I want to say this lasts maybe 3 to 4 hours max, sometimes even less. So it's not the most long wearing fragrance. So if you're looking for something that's going to last like hours on end, and that's going to like, you know, your clothes are going to smell like it throughout the day, this is not that type of fragrance. It's just very light and easy to wear. Now that I've really let it dry my skin, like I said, the violet is very overpowering, but then it also smells quite fresh too. So if you're somebody that likes fresh fragrances, definitely try this out because this has that sort of fresh element to it. I don't have a ton to say about this fragrance. Overall, I like it. I definitely would repurchase it. It's just one of those like fragrances that I'd like to wear during the summer and the springtime. I don't really wear fragrances according to season, but this I feel like is just not going to last throughout the winter because it's just not strong enough. So if you've tried this fragrance, how do you feel about it? Jo Malone is an amazing brand for fragrances. Their sleek packaging, it just gives me classy vibes and energy, but in terms of the staying power, I wouldn't say it's the best for staying power. But the Poppy and Barley fragrance I would definitely recommend if you are looking for a fruity or like a fresh, clean, floral fragrance that is very light and easy to wear. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video. It's a lot shorter than I anticipated, but yeah, that's all I have to say for this fragrance. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried it. If you know any other Jo Malone fragrances that you think I might like, please, 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 please put it in the comment section, because like I said, Jo Malone can be very overwhelming in terms of when you go to the store and there's like 1,000,001 different fragrances to smell and choose from. So I'd rather get recommendations and go into the store and just say, hey, I want to smell X, Y, and Z, rather than just going there like blindly and not having an idea of what I want to buy. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.